na makiria iguru ria Ndereti ya kigina iria kana ya mwaka wa 2023 maya mokite mbere ya Ndereti ino gukorwo igitemanio bunge-ini na kuria igakorwo ikiarukwo na njira njega muthi wa kana kiumia-ini gikireke tukorwo kiamukira ndumiriri iyo ya mihango gicokereria kuria bunge-ini ya gibũrũri.
The minority leader seconds. When did that change?
The Speaker, it's an occasion when the nation needs to reflect, really, on where it's standing, the gains has made, and perhaps to what lies ahead. So it's an occasion which should be, in my view, made to remain solemn as an event for thorough reflection from across the political divide, to turn up in the large numbers and attend the national prayer breakfast, which is scheduled for tomorrow. Of course, I must add the rider that my own leader, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, and the entire leadership of the Azimio La Umoja One Kenya coalition will not be in attendance. The country can be rescued. You never know, Mr. Speaker. This prayer event might actually soften people's hearts and perhaps lead to the withdrawal of the offending finance bill 2023. You never know. You never know.
Incite Kenyans, those who continue to misinform and disinform Kenyans, even on the questions of the finance bill, will now reconcile themselves with their conscience and come and debate the issues touching on finance bill on the floor of this house, because this is where to engage on matters that touch on the lives and matters that are of concern to the people who have sent us here to represent them.
I'll give the chair of the prayer breakfast committee
na uguo niguo gwikarire kuria bunge-ini ya gibũrũri thutha wa gukorwo magicokereria mihango no indi mihango ino ni ikorirwo ikirugamio nginyanagia muthenya wa kana kuona ati muthenya wa rucio ni makihaririirie mahoya ma rucini ma gibũrũri kana ni maria magitagwo parliamentary ni kuria atongoria aria magithuritwo magaikorwo magikinya kuria thingira-ini wa iregi mahoya-ini ma hamwe ma gibũrũri na ni riboti tugaikorwo tukurehera na njira njega wona cia kihanda muthenya wa rucio na riu tugitigane na icio riu tukihugukira riboti ingi